Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, lived a tiny perch named Percy. Percy was a bright green fish, with a sparkling silver belly and a twinkling eye. He lived in a cozy little home at the bottom of a clear, shimmering pond. One day, Percy noticed something unusual. The water in the pond seemed to be losing its shine. He swam around, looking for the cause, but he couldn't find anything. The water was still clear, but it lacked the sparkle that made it so magical. Percy was worried. He loved his home and didn't want anything to change it. So, he decided to ask the wise old turtle, Mr. Tortuga, for help. Mr. Tortuga lived in a shell house on the other side of the forest. After a long swim through the forest, Percy found Mr. Tortuga. "Mr. Tortuga," he said, "I need your help. Something's wrong with my pond. It's lost its magic." Mr. Tortuga listened carefully. "I've heard about a magical stone that can restore the magic to a pond," he said. "It's guarded by a grumpy old crab named Krabby. He lives near the ocean." Percy was determined. He thanked Mr. Tortuga and set off on his journey. He swam through the river, underwater tunnels, and across the sea. After many days, he finally found Krabby. "Krabby, I need your magical stone," Percy said. "My pond has lost its magic." Krabby grumbled and agreed to help. He tossed the stone into the water, and immediately, Percy's pond sparkled once again. Percy thanked Krabby and swam back home. When Percy arrived, his friends were waiting for him. "Welcome back, Percy," they said. "Your pond looks wonderful." Percy smiled. "I couldn't have done it without your help," he said. "And now, our pond is even more magical than before." From that day forward, Percy and his friends swam happily in their magical pond, remembering the adventure that brought it back to life. And Percy learned that sometimes, all it takes is a little courage and the help of friends to make the world a more magical place.